Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers and welcome to our YouTube channel. And guess what? Today we're gonna make a ridiculously easy fall wreath. First, I wanna thank Greeleaf for always making us look so good. Thank you, Greeleaf. You can always call them if you need anything. So today, first we need a 12-inch hoop. This is an aluminum hoop. Yeah, there's lots of different sizes. And then you need the ridiculously easy part, it's zip ties. I know, traditional wreath making is done with paddle wire or any kind of green wire. Sometimes that's hard for my hands, but I like this because it's just super easy and I'll talk you through that. And then plant material, right? So any kind of plant material you want, you can forage, you can go to your big box, Trader Joe's, you can go to your florist. I have all sorts of cool things today. I have eucalyptus, I have this Brasilia berry. Let's see, I have sage, so this wreath is gonna smell like turkey stuffing. I have, Dusty Miller, and this actually dries pretty cool. And then I have some rose hips, some Magnolia, and some pin cushions that look a little bit funky, but they'll look cool, I promise. Check this out. We have Chinese lanterns. You guys know about this tree. I love it so much. It's actually not a tree, it's a perennial, but it's really cool. So yeah, so just gather up what kind of plant material you want, and then you make a little bundle. So here's my first little bundle to start, and I just took a piece of Magnolia, laid down some sage and some rose hips, and I took my zip tie, and I made my first little bundle, right? So you zip it, and then I clip off this thing, and then you're going to attach all the little bundles to the wreath and just lay one over the top of each other and build it all out, and it's gonna be beautiful. So here's my first bundle. And you can have different heights, you can have different textures, but go ahead and pull that zip tie pretty tight, because then it will lay on the next one. And remember, zip ties, you want to hear that noise. This one is going to have a little orange, so you can already see it's taking a great shape, right? I love it so much. Don't forget to watch our other fall videos. We have decorated a porch, a mantle, we've made another wreath. So see how this is so easy, and you want to just make sure you cover your mechanics. So again, clip your little tails here because those aren't pretty, and it smells so good. Yeah, so check this out. If you want kind of more of an asymmetrical look, this is really trending right now on a hoop. You could do it kind of halfway, or you could have the plant material down. You could always attach a little mini pumpkin. Isn't that adorable? But for today, we're gonna fill this up with plant material, so I'll just keep building. So you see what I mean? The zip tie technique's so much easier. It's looking ridiculous. And literally, this is taking me, I don't know, 12 minutes. Magnolia is pretty because it's like one of my favorite trees. It dries so nice. One last bundle. We're getting close to the end, guys. These are really cool little scabiosa pods. They'll add a little bit of dimension. And I want to make sure that I don't see the zip tie, so I have some moss over here that I'm just going to fill in. I see one little hole right there, so I'm going to fill that in. And you can kind of see, I'll show you that it just doesn't make a perfect circle, so it's right here. So I'm gonna fill that spot in, and I think she will be golden. Sometimes your bundles drop down, and so that's what happened, is it dropped down a little bit. So I will fill it back up. If you have any comments or questions or need us, you can always message me, email me, whatever you need, or comment below for sure. We're almost done. I'm adding the little mini pumpkins, and I took a piece of green wire and stabbed it through. I kind of cut it at an angle so it was kind of like a spear. And then I'm just going to wire these white pumpkins on, and oh my God, this is so cute. It turned out really good. Check this out. This was just literally took me 12 minutes, and How's it look? It looks beautiful, right? It smells so good. I can't even begin to tell you the sage and the eucalyptus. And Caesar was just talking about how cute these little pin cushions are. And I think that's it. So be sure and check out all our other fall videos. I can't wait to help you. Subscribe, like, alert, share, all those things. That would be awesome. Bye. Thank you.